was standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name with my eyes on the wall. You were running like a ghost from me.
The epoxy flake flooring system we installed in Walmart Supermarket was one of our most challenging projects to date for several reasons. The first reason being it was our first ever epoxy flake installation ever, and there was none other like it in the BVI to reference. So the client put his faith in us to do a good job and get it right. We made some mistakes in the beginning, but we fixed them and continue to push forward. The logistics and scheduling involved in taking on such a large project without the convenience of closing down the business also made it very difficult to execute. But we worked for 6 months from 10 p.m. to 4 a.m. daily until it was finished. We went with an epoxy flake system over polished concrete or terrazzo because of the poor condition of the existing concrete slab. There were several different concrete slabs that existed on the old building, all with varying thicknesses and strengths. Epoxy flake was the best option for this client because of the strength and durability of the coating, an easy maintenance schedule, and the client really liked varying color options that would hide the old concrete slab below and give the store a new vibrant look to appeal to the shoppers without ripping out and replacing the existing concrete, which has given Walmart a look that doesn't exist anywhere else in the BVI. When deciding whether or not epoxy flake is right for you, your home, or your business, it's important to know that we do not recommend it being used for exterior applications that are exposed to the harsh Caribbean sunlight. However, it is a great non-slip surface, and it is one of the best flooring options that will resist stains. So it is suitable for high-traffic food environments such as industrial kitchens, showrooms, schools, warehouses, fire stations, commercial spaces, factories, and industrial areas.